Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. And first of all, happy new year. I wish you all a fulfilled 2025. And I appreciate you sticking around on my channel because at some point I've been inactive, but I'm grateful for those who have stayed, and I've still been looking out. All right, so that's why since I am back, I must make sure I give you guys values to help you improve and also succeed in your trading career. All right, so with that being said, I took a trade yesterday. I just had to make a quick Christmas New Year day money, for some logistics. So I decided to quickly look into the chart, and I just went to V25 index. I was on my PC because that's the default pair that opens on the deriv trading view implementation. So when I opened the trading view implementation for deriv, I saw something that was very important, and something that was in line with what I believe, because you trade what you believe, what you see. And I decided to quickly take action. First of all, as you can see what is happening here, for those of you who do not understand how to draw trend lines, it's important that you learn how to draw trend lines on the chart. Learn how to draw trend lines if you want to understand price action properly. All right, so you can see this. Let's just look at this quickly before I go to show you what I actually did, the trade I took, and how I was able to take the trade. Now, looking at what we have on this chart, now you can see that if you know how to draw your trend lines properly, then you draw your trend line and wait. Maybe let's say we have the first point here, 1 2, then the market coming back on the third time. You look for confirmations that make you understand the market is actually going to reverse. You don't just enter the trade once the market gets to the trend line. The only thing you do is to look out for confirmations, conditions and setups that confirm the market is actually going to reverse. Then you take action. So you can see the market got to the third time, it reversed. Excuse me. Then the market bought again back to this zone. Look at it. See, look at what happened here. It still reversed, guys. Then came here. This time around, it couldn't go really far. The market just came back again to this zone. But this time around, you see, it did not reverse. Instead, it broke above it. Then came back to retest. Now, you see, meaning that this is actually a key level too, a key level in the market, not a horizontal key level, but actually um we would like call it trailing key level or a dynamic key level, because you can see it is changing with price. It's changing with price compared to a static key level, or there's a horizontal. It's always it maintains the same price or price range. All right, so that is it. So you can see, if you mark out this zone, this trend line correctly, you won't have in fact, some of your problems will be reduced in terms of trading. Your stress would most likely be maybe looking out for the chart pattern and your entries. But first of all, be able to get this first. All right, so after getting this, what I actually did in the if you go down to, let's say, let's look at this. You can see when market broke out of this trend line, it bought nicely. It bought nicely and got to a certain height or a certain price before it started selling. This certain price at this point, if you trace to the far right to the far left, it must be a resistance zone which the market is actually reacting to. Then the market sold back to do a proper retest after this breakout. So the market is actually doing a retest now. Forget, I can easily adjust this line to touch here, to touch the lows which the market has created, and I think that's okay. You can see. So now I did not find an entry on this time frame. I did not find an entry. The only thing I actually did was, I think the market was somewhere around here. I just knew the market was going to buy based on the fact that it is back at this zone. Then coming to this zone, you can see the market has been on this zone for a few days. See, this is the first, the second, the third day, and yesterday was the fourth day the market got to this zone. So I looked at the structure of the market. It's still bullish. So what did I do? I had to go down to the 4 hourly time frame. All right, so on the 4 hourly time frame, it's loading. So we see good. Now, guys, can you see what is happening on the 4 hourly time frame? Can you see this? This is like magic. This is the 4 hourly time frame. So actually, when I opened the chart, I saw this. I saw this structure. This is a double bottom. I think I will do another video to explain some stuff for you guys, because if you are able to mark out your key levels correctly, if you're able to mark out your trend lines correctly, all you need to do is just to wait for the market to get there. Once market gets to that zone, you go down to the 15 minutes time frame or a lower time frame to find a structure that confirms the market is actually going to change its direction or is going to continue in that direction. So you can see what we have here. This is a very nice structure here on the 4 hourly time frame. This is a double top, a double bottom, sorry. All right, this is a double. All right, now the problem people will mostly have is the first time the initial time the market sells down to this zone, you may not know what the market is actually intending to do. Now you see that the market started buying and selling, creating higher highs and higher lows. Then the mindset you'll be having, if you understand my continuation strategy, you will feel the market is actually going to break out to sell to the downside. And actually to break out like it did, there was a breakout and the market sold. But do not lose sight of this particular zone here, because until the market is able to break below this zone and close below it, there is no way the market will continue selling. All right, so once you are if you understand the reversal and the continuation strategy, always ensure that you confirm there is a proper breakout. Like here, the market has to really go down below this zone and close below it before you can confirm, okay, the market is actually ready to sell. Because I'll do some more videos, guys. I want you guys to succeed this year, this 2025. All those who have been struggling to succeed with trading, trust me, you'll be getting some values from here, so you can really know how to go about this. Because it is simple, it's not as difficult as it may sound. Sometimes it's just us. We are the human factor is just the problem, right? So now you can see we have a double bottom at this point. Now for this double bottom, I had to pull this a horizontal sorry, a rectangle here. This rectangle here is actually my zone. Why am I marking this? This is actually a neckline. If the market can successfully go up, break and close above this neckline, then the market will most likely buy and target this high. That was the analysis. That was my analysis. So the market was somewhere, I think somewhere around here. So since out of curiosity, I had intended to wait for the market to actually come and react to this zone. If it's going to break above or maybe reverse, then I'll take a trade. But I decided to go down to the 1 hourly time frame. So I quickly went down to the 1 hourly time frame. And when I went to the 1 hourly time frame, here's what I saw, guys. I saw another double bottom, guys. This is another double bottom at this point. This is another double bottom right here. You can see this is the first bottom, this is the neckline, the second bottom. And at that point, the market was just closing above the neckline. This is the neckline here. This is the neckline right here. So as of the point I came to I saw this, the market was closed. This is the candlestick I saw. This particular candlestick here, you can see it closed above this neckline. So I immediately entered the trades, and this is on the 1 hourly time frame, you can see. So I immediately entered trades and took my profit somewhere around here, because it is good to sometimes you wait for the market to break the neckline and give you a confirmation before you start taking trades, than just taking trade and expecting the market will go above the trend, depending on how you understand the market, depending on, there are so many factors that can influence that. But to be on the safer side, you take your profit first here. As long as the market is you are seeing this on a higher time frame, then the market will be moving. The market moving from here to here can give you some reasonable profit, so you can just close your trade. You understand? So all I had to do was to open multiple positions, guys. Open multiple positions with the minimum loss size and also with the losses of 3.0. I opened 2 pairs with the losses of 3.0 and the trade ran, guys. So I took most of my profit around this point. Then I left only very few positions to run. See, and then I adjusted my stop loss. So you can see the market ran up to this level and I took some profit. Then on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see it was some good move. You can see from here the market moved nicely. The market moved nicely up to here. Then I closed so many positions and left a very few to remain. Then the market bought, came up here, came down. You can see the market was still buying. The market is still buying. In fact, the market is actually, I think it's coming back to this zone. I think the market is coming back to this zone to do a proper retest. Let's just go back to the 4 hourly time frame and see where the market is actually heading. All right. Okay, I think the market might want to respect this drop-based drop that was not respected initially, because these are the things we have to look out for. This drop-based drop is actually a zone in the market that the market we have to always look out for. This drop-based drop at this point, the market might want to respect here. So based on the reactions we'll be seeing on a lower time frame, we can easily know the market will continue selling, or it will reverse, then maintain its bullish move. All right, so that is just it, guys. So if you are able to spot this kind of stuff on the chart, even if it is once in a day or 3 times in a week, then you have your reasonable you have a reasonable account size. Guys, go all in, make the profit you can, and stay part of the market. You don't need to look for too many setups in a day. You don't need to look for to trade more than 5 times in a day. Just one good setup can give you a reasonable amount of profit. Guys, trust me that this same little move around this, from this point here, from this point to this point, is something traders can use to make up to $10,000. Somebody can make $10,000 from here to here. That depends on the trader's account size and his risk appetite. You know, if the person has a very big account size, can decide to open so many positions with bigger lot sizes, and don't you'll be surprised that one position from here to here can give him up to $200. Then imagine it has up to like 10 or 15. All right, so it is very simple. It's a very simple thing. You don't need to be stressing yourself too much when you want to analyze the chart. Just look at it. Look out for zones, look out for patterns, look out for setups. There are so many things that confirm. In fact, guys, I should be holding a free class with everyone very soon. Let me just look out for a day. Just click on the link in the description of this video, then you get to my Telegram channel. I will update there very soon when the class will be coming up, because I just want to make sure people that are, or my subscribers and fans, have been able to make some good money this year from trading. You don't need to be giving the market your money all the time. You need to get back from the market. If you've been giving the market money for the past years or months, guys, this year you have to get back from the market. Understand? So all depends on you. Click on the link in the description of this video, join my Telegram channel. When you get there, then stay and wait for when the update will come for the free class. The class is just going to be one day, maybe a 1 hour class and so, but trust me that the information I'll be sharing is going to be powerful. It's going to be worth more than $5,000. It depends on how you're going to see it and how much energy you want to put in to actually practice what I'm going to show you. Because it is one thing to get the information, and it's another thing to actually act on the information, guys. All right, so I'll try my best to provide you with the information you need to succeed in trading, guys. All right, so like this video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Share this video with your friends. Share this video with your friends. Let us grow in numbers. And if you want to enroll in my one-on-one mentorship, still on that same Telegram channel, you find my direct contact. You reach out to me, then we will communicate, and we will negotiate how to go about your mentorship. All right, so that is it, guys. Till my next video, stay blessed and peace out.